The video is about tips and tricks to help students focus on their studies. The narrator emphasizes the importance of focus in absorbing and retaining information efficiently. The video then offers 5 tips. Create a distraction-free environment with a quiet spot, no distractions, and good lighting. Set clear goals and priorities for the study session by breaking tasks down into smaller, more manageable steps and prioritizing them. Use time management techniques, such as setting deadlines and tracking progress. Take short breaks every hour to stretch, walk, or drink water to refresh the mind and body. Use active learning strategies like taking notes, asking questions, and solving problems to connect with the material, deepen understanding, and remember it better. The video concludes by asking viewers to share their own strategies and subscribe to the channel for more videos.